Hello gamers, in this tutorial we are going to learn AI navigation with a small simple project. In this project we have a orange agent here and it will find its way to that red object. So let's start. In Unity 6 NavMesh is built in, but if you don't have this AI tab and this NavMesh buttons here, you have to come to this window and then package manager, and then in the Unity registry search for AI, and then you will find this AI navigation and you can update it, or if you don't have it you can install it. Anyway, at first we have to create a NavMesh surface, and this NavMesh surface will create a surface for us, and this surface will tell our agent where it can go and where it can't go. And this definition is by baking. Here, these blue areas are the area that we can go there. And as you see, here we have some obstacles, and because of these obstacles we can't go there. So if we want to go here, for example from here, we have to go like this. So what we can do to tell our NavMesh that we want to just define these obstacles as our obstacles, not this capsule here and this capsule here. To solve this problem we are going to use Unity layers. Here we have this layer, and all these obstacles are in this empty game object. So we can select this and change its layer. For example, here we have some layers, but I want to create another layer, for example obstacle, and then I want to set the layer to this obstacle and for this child. And after that we have to come here, clear our NavMesh surface, and then we have to choose nothing, and then we have to just select obstacles, and then we have to bake it. And as you see, we don't have any problem here and also here, and now everything is fine. Now we have our NavMesh surface, and what we have to do next is creating our NavMesh agents. Here, this is one of our agents. We have to add the agent component to it, so NavMesh agent, and then we have this NavMesh agent. And as you see, NavMesh see our object like these green lines that you see here. We can do some configuration here, but for now we can leave it with default setting. And now we have our NavMesh surface and our NavMesh agent, but we have to have some scripts that tell our NavMesh agent where he have to go. For example, we can create a game controller, and in this game controller we are going to tell our object he have to go from here to that red object there. We need some reference. At first we have to create a public transform as our target. Then we have to create a public NavMesh agent as our agent. And then in the update method we are going to tell our agents that he have to go to the target. So agent dot, we have a lot of methods and attributes in our agent object, but we are going to use this set destination, and then we have to set the position of our target to this destination. So target dot position, and then we have to set these variables here. Here we have to set our target. Here this is our target, this capsule 1 is our target. Then we have to set our agent. Here we have just one agent, this capsule. And now let's see. As you see, our object is finding its way to this object here. It will find the shortest way to this object here. We can speed up our agent. Here we have this speed variable and we can increase it. We found the target, but we are inside the target. We will fix it later. But here, as you see, we can find our object in the real time, but sometimes we just want to be near of our object, not inside of it. So we can do some configuration for it. For example, here we have this stopping distance. We can set it, for example, to 5, and then when we move our object, for example here, it won't move anymore because our stopping distance is high. For example, we can change it to 3, and then it will move a little more. Okay, and also we can change our acceleration, we can change our speed, angular speed, and something that we have here. It's enough for this tutorial. We create AI navigation together in this video. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like some videos like this, you can like my video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot, and until the next video, goodbye.